Quick interpretation, unlocking fast understanding. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind the phrases, quick interpretation. It's a term that might seem straightforward, but there's a lot more to it, especially when learning a new language. Stick around as we break it down for you, ensuring you can apply this concept in your daily conversations and beyond. Quick interpretation refers to the rapid understanding and translation of spoken or written language into another language or into simpler terms within the same language. It's not just about translating word for word but capturing the essence, context, and emotional tone of the original message. This skill is invaluable for language learners, enabling you to follow conversations, read texts, and watch media in your target language with greater ease. Understanding and implementing quick interpretation is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it enhances your listening and reading comprehension skills, allowing you to grasp the meaning of conversations or texts swiftly. This is especially important in real-time situations, such as during meetings, lectures, or while watching live broadcasts. Secondly, it boosts your ability to communicate effectively, as you can respond more accurately and confidently in discussions. Lastly, it enriches your language learning journey, making the process more enjoyable and less daunting. Mastering quick interpretation requires practice and exposure. Here are some tips to help you improve. 1. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with the target language through movies, music, podcasts, and conversations with native speakers. 2. Practice summarizing. After listening to a conversation or reading a text, try to summarize the main points in your own words. This helps in capturing the essence of the message. 3. Expand your vocabulary. The more words you know, the easier it becomes to understand and interpret messages quickly. 4. Learn idioms and colloquial expressions. These are often used in everyday language and can be challenging to interpret literally. Understanding them can significantly improve your comprehension skills. 5. Use context clues. Pay attention to the context in which words or phrases are used. This can help you infer the meaning of unfamiliar terms. Quick interpretation is a vital skill that can dramatically enhance your language learning experience and your ability to communicate effectively. Like any other skill, it takes time, practice, and patience to develop. We hope this video has shed some light on quick interpretation and how you can work on mastering it. Keep practicing, stay curious, and, most importantly, have fun with the language. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.